Seventh-day Adventist, every day you should pray every 7 o'clock. Bahay mo pa rin soon sa inyong kapising. Well, 7 o'clock is not the first minute of your life in the day, right? Gawas ko mumata ka alas City. Napay nagamata diri ka alas City? Wala siguro kayo. I don't know sa mga shifting nurses, basta mumata ko nas langkas ng bilas Diyos kay walay tulog sa gabi, no? Alas City, magaling mag-out. Well, 7 o'clock. The point there is, before doing anything, ask God first. Sa psychology, naiingo nila nga what you feel or what is in your mind in the last 5 minutes of the night, mo na ang imuhang mabutan sa nauna for the first 5 minutes of the day. Mo pikto sa imuha. The Bible is started with God, creation, and it ends with recreation. Started with God also. Genesis and Revelation. Our life should start with God and ends with God.